Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Those are watching in this video. I hope all are you doing great. I am the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also fine and Alhamdulillah. I would like to share about my English language speaking journeys in these times. That's are the English speaking journey is very beginner's level is very difficult because we are born was born was native language speaking English and listening and reading. Others language is different language is English speaking. It's very difficult and so tough in the speaking spoken in English. That's are many problems are the fluency problem and grammatical problem and pronunciation problem and lackings of vocabulary problems. In this many problems in my facing in this spoken English. I'm regularly practicing English and vocabulary and other sectors in development this learning times. That's are the English speaking language are more difficult, but it's easiest are these topics in the easiest topic and easiest vocabulary using this sentence making and grammatical terms is simple terms are the using in this topic. So I beginners level is many mistakes in my language and speaking delivery are wrong vocabulary, wrong grammatical terms. I will recovering in this in this spoken English and many others terms in the uh, practice in English. Thanks all everyone. You are wishes me and appreciate me, and I am the learning English process and developing in this my English journey. So uh, many thanks for yours, and I will next videos are the developing my English session. Bye bye.